Trump News, Aileen Cannon meets Trump's lawyers privately. The judge overseeing the lawsuit involving confidential documents requested by Donald Trump will meet with the president's attorney in a clandestine session to go over the details. They will meet in a Miami safe room where they may talk about secret materials without anyone listening in, according to a court order that was written by Judge Aileen Cannon. The meeting will take place at a location that is appropriate for discussing the classified information that is included in the party's submission. From 9:30 in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Monday will be the first meeting, from 3 to 5 p.m. She will next hear from the team of prosecutor Jack Smith. On Tuesday, the parties will have the opportunity to submit more pleadings. Smith and his staff, as well as Trump's legal team, have access to Miami safe rooms where the DOJ has stashed sensitive documents discovered at Trump's Mar-a-Lago home. There is a strict no cell phone policy in place, and each room has anti-bugging technology. Anyone representing Walt Noto or Carlos de Oliveira, the two co-defendants with Trump, must abstain from the proceedings. The Classified Information Procedures Act applies to the documents President Trump is requesting. According to Section 4, he court, upon a sufficient showing, may authorize the United States to delete specified items of classified information from documents to be made available to the defendant through discovery under the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure, to substitute a summary of the information for such classified documents, or to substitute a statement admitting the relevant facts the classified information would tend to prove. Judge Cannon will determine the final method of document censorship before sending them to Trump's legal team. The president will ask for fewer words and sentences removed, the prosecutor for more, and Judge Cannon will make the decision. Trump has entered a not guilty plea to 40 federal counts related to the retention and obstruction of efforts to recover classified materials from his Mar-a-Lago club in Florida. The Republican primary frontrunner has consistently claimed that the accusations are an attempt to derail his chances of winning the 2024 election and has denied any wrongdoing. Newsweek contacted Trump's lawyer via email on Monday to get a statement. Smith said on Thursday that Cannon made a clear error by approving the transfer of further papers to Trump's staff. In court documents, he claimed that doing so would expose many prospective witnesses to substantial and immediate dangers of threats, intimidation, and harassment, and expose their names. Cannon had initially postponed the due dates for Smith's team to submit the paperwork in order for her to evaluate the special counsel's request, even while the delay was only temporary. She eventually decided on Friday that Trump and the other defendants needed the documents by Saturday, February 10th, unless another court order specifies otherwise. The judge has decided to keep the details, including the identities of possible witnesses, secret. There have been repeated demands for Cannon, who was chosen to the court by Trump, to step down from her position as judge due to her bias in favor of the former president. Her rulings have included many that might postpone the trial's May start date.